Instead of building another traditional glass or concrete structure, we wanted something natural to start bringing in nature into the building. So UCB specialises in neurology and neuroscience, and this is the central collaboration hub for everyone to come meet, to have a coffee together, and to discuss and to connect. So the primary function is for connection, discussion, and ultimately innovation. And that was really important to us. We didn't want the place to feel institutionalized. We wanted the place to really connect with nature and to bring that soul into the campus.
We're surrounded by mighty trees and an ancient cedar tree. The scale of the timber that in this building is not like a timber wall that you're used to from a domestic construction. It's gargantuan, it's really thick, it's like a giant tree trunk. The feeling of scale that you get being inside the building and hearing the echoes, and then the other senses that come in, so the smell and the sound.
A project like this is absolutely incredible. It's almost like a coliseum to timber. The pre-construction side of it and the design work which has gone in has made the construction very easy, so to the surprise of many. But it has been an incredible build so far, and we're very excited to see it in its final piece. The logistics of this site have definitely been really challenging. We're a small area surrounded by other buildings. We have got a big crane above us. We've only really got one way in, one way out. It has been hard work, but actually because of the pre-construction which is done off-site, it's worked really, really well.
HESS have helped us to find new possibilities of what we can do with timber, like these giant curved loop geometries. And the expertise and the knowledge at HESS about how to optimise the structure and what we can do with routing things through it and the interaction between the different pieces has been really exciting. So we've learned a lot from HESS on this timber structure, and I'd like to think that we've helped push their aspirations as well for what they can do with the timber building.
The reaction has always been wow. And I say wow because that's exactly the expression we hear every time someone comes around the corner and sees the building for the first time. This is probably the first project that I've been involved in where unanimously everyone has liked the building. I mean, in architecture there's always an opinion, but this is the first time that everyone has really loved this building.